Good morning. Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine at home. I am Rashmi Rekha Panda from Bapuji Government UP School, Dhenkanal. I welcome you all from each and every. I welcome you all the students from each and every corner of Odisha to this online YouTube live class of class 7 English. Today we have to do two worksheets, worksheet number 13 and worksheet number 14. In worksheet number 13, we have to comprehend a paragraph and answer the questions orally, and in worksheet number 14, we have to comprehend another small paragraph and know the opposite words. Okay. Have you ever heard the story? Comprehension and knowing the opposite words. Okay. Okay, my dear students. Have you ever heard the Odia story, Nilavarna Srugala? Now I am telling you the story. Please listen attentively. बिलुआ को आम श्रुगाल कहे श्रुगालटे थिला ताको खूब भोक लगुला से एणे तेणे खाद्य खोजु खोजु गोटे ढोबार कुंड भितर नील जो कुंड भितर से उजाला दिए कपड़ा नील करे से कुंड भितर से खसी पड़ा ता देह पूरा नील रंग हो गला तापर से जंगल को गला ताको देखि अन्य जीव मैंने डरी गले से माने भाविले ये बोधे गोटे नुआ जीव आसी से केवल ता अन्य श्रुगाल मान अलग देखा जाऊला से अन्य जीव मान भी अलग देखा जाऊला से आउ टिके डिफरेंट देखा आउ टिके अलग देखा से कौन कला जानते से गोटे चश्मा पिंधिदेला ओके आउ टिके ता मुहटा लुचेवाई से गोटे टोपी पिंधिदेला ओके ता मुह लुचेवाई से गोटे टोपी पिंधिदेला ताकू अन्य जीव मैंने राजा बनईदेले ठीक अच्छी से कौन कला सबू जीव मान को पाख पूरेला किंतु कौन सी श्रुगाल को पाख पूरेवा को देलानी इतने श्रुगाल मैंने रागिगले से माने कहले अच्छा से माने कौन कले दिन एक स्वर रे समस्ते हुक श्रुगाल केमती उबाए हुके हो से मैंने एक स्वर रे हुके हो भुकिबा को लागिले सभारे बसिथिबा राजा नीलवर्ण श्रुगाल मध्य एक संगे भुकिबा को लागिला हुके हो यही समय रे अलग बसी सभारे बसिथिबा अन्य जीव बाघ भालू सिंह एमाने जानिदेले अरे ये गोटे साधारण बिलुआ ये गोटे साधारण श्रुगाल ये आमको बोका बनी समस्ते मिसी ता पछरे तड़िले एवं ताको मारिदेले ओके नाउ वी look at the screen, we look at the screen and we know the picture, we look at the picture and I am telling you the story in English, okay? Simple story. The blue jackal. Now look at the picture. Once there was a jackal. Look at the screen. Once there was a jackal, okay? He was looking for food. By chance, he fell into a washerman's tub. What happened then? He became all blue. His entire body was blue. Then he ran to the jungle. All the animals made him the king. One day he was in the meeting with other animals. He did not allow any jackals. Look at the picture. He did not allow any jackal. That is tiger, lion, elephant, giraffe, but rabbit also. But he did not allow any jackal to come near him. Okay, so other jackals get angry. The other jackal started howling, huke ho. The blue jackal, look at the picture. The blue jackal also started howling, huke ho. Okay? Now, the other animals knew that it was a mad jackal. So they all run after him. Look at the picture. They all run after him and killed him. Okay? Now you have to read the paragraph with me. Now I am going to read the paragraph, you have to read the paragraph. Worksheet number 13, the blue jackal. Once, you have to read with me. Once there was a jackal. He was looking for food. He fell into a tub. It was filled with blue colored water. It was made so for coloring clothes. With great difficulties, the jackal came out of it. He looked all blue. He was very different. Not only different from his own race of jackals, but also from other animals of the forest. He planned to befool other animals. To look still very different, he wore a pair of spectacles. Okay, he wore a pair of spectacles. He carefully hid his face wearing a cap. Okay, then he sat over an anthill. Now, look at the paragraph again. Once there was a jackal. He was looking for food. Now tell me the answer. Who was looking for food? Yes, the jackal was looking for food. Very good. What was the jackal looking for? Yes, the jackal was looking for food. The answer is food. Yes, the jackal was looking for food. He fell into a tub. Look at the line. He fell into a tub. Where did he fall? Yes, he fell into a tub. It was filled with blue colored water. What was the tub filled with? Yes, the tub was filled with blue colored water. It was made so for coloring clothes. Why it was made for? Yes, it was made for coloring clothes. Very good. With great difficulties, the jackal came out of it. He looked all blue. Okay, then he was very different. Okay, what did he plan? Yes, he planned to befool other animals. Okay, boka bane devi, samasta ko boka bane devi, befool other animals. To look still very different, he wore a pair of spectacles. What did he do to look very different? What did he do? Yes, he wore a pair of spectacles. Thank you. He carefully hid his face wearing a cap. What did he do to hide his face? मुँह लुचिया ପାଇଁ से कौन कला? Yes, he wore a cap. Yes, he wore a cap. Thank you. Then he sat over an anthill. Where did he sit? Yes, he sat over an anthill. Anthill means उई हुंका ऊपर से बसी पड़ला. Okay. Now next come to the questions. You have to answer the questions. Who was searching for food? Yes. Who was searching for food? Very good. The jackal was searching for food. Thank you. Where did the jackal fall? Did fall. Okay. Now how you say the answer? The jackal fell. Where did the jackal fall? You have to say the jackal fell. Yes, into a tub. Very good. What was the tub filled with? Yes, the tub was filled with blue colored water. Thank you. Why the blue colored water was made? Yes, the blue colored water was made. Yes. For the blue colored water was made for coloring clothes. Thank you. Why did the jackal look blue? Because yes, the jackal looked blue because he fell into a tub of blue colored water. Thank you. What did he plan? Yes, he planned to befool other animals. Thank you. What else did he do to look very different? Yes. What else did he do to look very different? What did he do? Yes, he wore a pair of spectacles. Thank you. What did he do to hide his face? Yes. What did he do to hide his face? Yes, he wore a cap. To hide his face. Thank you. Why did it look different in question number 9, there is a printing mistake. Why did it look different for other animals? That is not for, you have to write from. Okay, in question number 9 there is a printing mistake. You have to change the word, that is from. Why did it look different from other animals? From other animals. Okay, why did it look different? Because it looked different from other animals because it was all blue. Okay, where did he sit? Did sit, where did he sit? Yes, yes, you have to say yes, he sat over an ant hill. Thank you. Now next we have to go to the next worksheet number 14. Okay, my dear students, do you have friends? Yes, friends. I have also friends. Do you have friends? Friends make our life enjoyable and memorable. Without friends, life is not so easy. Friends make our life easy. Okay, enjoyable, memorable. Okay, we have to read a text. Okay, short paragraph about friends. Okay, now you have to read with me. Okay, friends, Raju is a fat and short boy. Okay, he is very polite. He always sits at the front of the class. Sipu is very rude. He is dull in studies. He is not bright like Raju. As he is thin and tall, he sits at the back of the class. Raju's house is near the house of Sipu. It is far from the school. Raju and Sipu are friends now. Sipu too is a good boy now. Now, look at the screen. There are two school going boys. One is Raju and another is Sipu. He is Raju. He is fat and short. He is very polite. He sits at the front of the class. He is bright in studies. बहुत भल पाठरे बहुत भल मन दिए. He is bright in studies. सब से आगरे बसे. से बहुत polite कि Raju. Raju is fat and short. He is very polite, namra, dhira, sthira. Okay. Now next come to the Sipu. He is tall. He is tall and thin. Okay. He is very rude. Se bahut asista. Okay. He is very rude. He sits at the back of the class. Sabule pachare basiba pura bhal pae. He is dull in studies. He is very dull. Pathare jama mano nahi. Patha padhiya taku bhal lage na. He is dull in studies. Now look at these words. Okay. Raju is fat. Raju is fat and Sipu is thin. Okay. Raju is short. And Sipu is tall. Okay, my dear students. Now, Raju is very polite. Namra. But Sipu is very rude. Okay. Sipu is very rude. Raju always sits at the front re base. Sabole se agare basiba bhal pae. This is front. Raju always sits at the front. Sipu always sits at the back. Okay. Next, Raju is bright in studies. Raju is bright in his studies. But Sipu is dull. Very dull. ताकु पाठ पढ़िया को जमा भल लागे ना. Okay, बदमाशी करिया ପାଇଁ ताकु भल लागे. Okay, my dear students, now look at these words. Okay, fat, thin, short, tall, polite, rude, front, back, bright, dull. These words we call these words as opposite words. We call these words as opposite words means viparita shabda. Okay, viparita shabda. Here some words also are there. Yes, good. Raju is good. They are now good friends. This is good. Opposite, that is bad. Opposite, that is bad. Okay. Another, they are friends now. Friends. Friend. Opposite word, enemy. E-N-E-M-Y means shatru. Friend, sanga. Mitra. Opposite, enemy. Okay, my dear students. Another word, there is also another word, near. There is also another word. Raju's house is near Sipu's house. Raju's house is near Sipu's house. Near. This is near. Near. N-E-A-R. Near. And the school is far from their house. Far. Dura. Okay. Raju's house is near Sipu's house. Pakha paki tanga karo. But the school is far from their house. Far. Dura. Near. Dura. Far. Okay. Now, these words we called as opposite words. Viparita shabda. Now, look at the screen. There are also some pictures for you. Now, look at the screen. The boy is sitting under the tree. This is under. Se gacha tale basi. That is under the boy is sitting under the tree and the bird is flying over the tree. Over. चढ़ेटी गछ ऊपर दे उड़ी जाउची. The bird is flying over. This is boy is sitting under the tree. Next, more balloons, less balloons. Okay. This is shallow, deep. Shallow means alpo gavira, deep, बहुत गभीर. देखो deep. Opposite word, shallow. Now, above, opposite word, below. Look at the picture. Above, below. Next, thick, thin, high, low, cold, hot, ice, baraf hochi seti, baraf, ice is cold, fire is hot. The glass is empty. Khali kichi nahi setare. The glass is empty. Now another glass full of water. That is full. Empty, full. Now big. There is a picture of elephant. Another picture of rat. Elephant is big. Rat is small. Start. Finish. Now the girl is going to start coloring. Arambha kariyakku jauchi. Going to start coloring. And the other finished it. Okay. Start, finish. Now I'm going to some other words also. Look at me. Now this is a torch. Now I'm going to on the torch. This is on the torch. Joleli, that is on the torch. Now I'm going to off the torch. Band kar deli, that is off the torch. Okay. Now this is my right hand. This is my left hand. Right, left. Right opposite hai left. Okay. Now look at the ropes. This is long and this is short. Long, short. These are opposite words. Now these two pens are same. Pura bilkul eka dekhibaku. These two pens are same. Okay. Now this is different. Now the road is narrow. गोटे गोटे जगह देखिए रोड टा पूरा न्यारो होता है. गाड़ी जावाई असुविधा हुए. The road is narrow. आउ किसी जगह रे road is wide. Narrow, wide. जेतेबेले हम पहाड़ चढ़ुचे बा पर्वत चढ़ुचे when we are going up the stairs, पहाड़ चढ़ुचे up. जो पहाड़ खसुचे पर्वत खसुचे दैट इज डाउन 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 ओके नाउ अप डाउन नाउ आई एम गोइंग माय हैंड टाइट देखो टाइट दिस इज टाइट आई एम होल्डिंग माय हैंड टाइटली टाइट this is I am holding my hand loose tight this is tight now holding my hand this is loose this is loose this is now I am going to open the book open this is open now I am going to close the book close this is close open close the book is in my front the book is in my front the whiteboard is in my back mo pachare ache this is in my back the book is in my front okay now this is a vinchona ame kahche na handmade fan yes now I am moving it fast this is fast okay now moving it slowly slow this is slow okay now I am going forward agu chaliba this is now I am going forward now I am going forward pachu ku jiba dekhantu now I am going backward this is backward this is forward next come to the next worksheet now you can match the words okay you can match the words under column A with the opposite words under column B yes fat you have to say yes fat yes thin very good short fat thin short very good short tall you have to match polite yes polite rude front back very good bright dull far near friend enemy there is also another activity for you now you have to say the glass is dash look at the screen the glass is dash there are some words the glass is dash full or empty full or empty you have to choose the word the glass is dash yes the glass is empty very good next another sentence we can use these words also in sentences the rat is dash yes there are two words here big or small the rat is dash the rat is very good it is big or small yes the rat is small then the ice cream is dash the ice cream is dash hot the ice cream is dash hot or cold which is right the ice cream is yes the ice cream is cold very good let's come to the next there are some opposite words look at your book page open your book at page number 31 there are some opposite words you have to remember these words okay you have to remember these words read the words start finish then on up fast slow over under more yes more less thank you big yes big small narrow wide up down very good shallow deep thick thin above below very good tight, tight, yes, yes, tight, loose. You have to remember these words. Loose, high, high, low, long, shut, open, open, close. Very good. Hot, hot, cold, full, full, empty, E-M-P-T-Y, empty. You have to remember the pronunciation also. You have to remember the spelling, empty, E-M-P-T-Y, empty. Right, left, in front of, behind. There is a temple in front of my school. Mo school agare gote mandir achi. There is a temple in front of my school. Mo school pachare gote hospital achi, daktarkhana achi. Yes, there is ta pachapote. There is a hospital behind my school. There is a hospital behind my school. Ta pachapote achi. Okay, in front of, behind, front, back. Okay, next, inside, inside, outside. We are inside the room. We are inside the room. There is someone outside the room. Outside. Bahare, room bahare ki achi. Outside. Then in, out, in, out. Now I put the torch. I put the torch in the bag. This is in. Now I take the torch out. This is out. In. I put the torch in. I take the torch out. This is out. Okay. Forward, backward. Same, different. Very good. Now you have to remember these words. You can also play games. You can also play games with your friends. You have to say a word and your friend has to say the opposite word. Suppose you have to you say start. Your friend has to say finish. Likewise, you can also play games with your friends. You have to remember these words and write down in your copy. Thanks. Have a nice day.